Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 4 divided by 1 over 4 and again divided by 1 over 4. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Here instead of divided by 1 over 4 here we can write times 4. So 4 divided by 1 over 4 then times 4. Now we can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. So 4 divided by just 1 and this is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct. Now our correct path. Here we have these two divisions and we have to work from left to right. Okay? Here first we do 4 divided by 1 over 4, then divided by 1 over 4. Okay, 4 divided by 1 over 4 according to the KCF rule can be written as 4 times just 4, and let's recopy this, divided by 1 over 4. 4 times 4 equals 16 and 16 divided by 1 over 4. Because multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first 4 times 4 then divided by 1 over 4. 4 times 4 equals 16 then divided by 1 over 4. And here according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, so this is equal to 16 times just 4. And this is equal to 64. So our final answer to this problem is just 64.